here again to cover this big gap for this side skirt. Okay, we need to clean this. Okay, after foaming earlier, just cover the big gap. Okay, step by step. Okay, okay. Works. Okay, for the big gaps. That's why we do this. Okay, it's more than 1 hour to dry this. But it helps. It helps. To finish this. It's the most important. You cover the big gap. These tips to clean before preparing to cover it. Okay. No need to be rush. Again, repeat again. Okay. This is only a foundation to build up the hole, cover the hole. Okay, it's a big process. Clean this properly until you paint. Put a pillar. Okay. It's a big issue. Using my utility knives. Okay. That's the most important. The build up. They're totally dry. We can put some pillar for that. Okay. Then flushing. So I want to be. Okay. To finish this solution. So tomorrow, because it's night now, almost 9 o'clock at Canada, Saskatchewan. Important to cover the hole. Just only to build up. Okay. Just only to build up the big gap of this portion. Okay. That's only a tip for now because we have finished now today to put a pillar. We need to clean this properly. Edge. Okay. The top. Okay. Clean this by sandpaper, by tools, so it's easy. Okay, don't worry about this, it's not important because I changed my mind to cover this. So just to use the foam because it's long time stuck the foam, so changed my mind. That's why it's different videos and vlog to do this. And we're at the bottom because only at the bottom no one can see that. Most important, you cover the big portion. Okay, so easy because it's a big cup. So tomorrow totally dry, totally dry. We continue this by tomorrow to putting a pillar. Okay, putting a pillar. Because now it's night, it's very difficult to dry. Okay, that's the most important because the big cup is a long time ago. Before I put uh, a adhesive screen and fiber, but I changed my mind, so I did this video to share the different option how to cover the big gap of the side skirt. Okay, so only for now this video tips is to clean and make shape for this. This is now for now. We finish this by tomorrow. Okay, because it's night, if you put the pillar doesn't dry also. It's important for now this video tips for you just to cover the big gap from here to here. Okay, important there's a build up a foam in this video. Okay, so tomorrow putting a pillar to cover this hole, and then with using a sandpaper and a different sandpaper using by machine or by hand. Grade 100 and grade 80. See? Even at the bottom, the front, top, the side. Good. See? That's what I like it. Because the bottom you cannot see, only the front and side view. Okay? That's all for now. So more tips, amazing tips. Just subscribe and click the notification bell, and then to watch the new video coming from me, this channel. So hope you like it, this video. So we're doing this by today. For now, just to shape a side skirt shape. Okay, that's the most important only. Just take the shape of part of the side skirt. Okay guys, see you again tomorrow. Subscribe and notification bell, click it so we can finish this by tomorrow in no time. Okay, so let's in the bottom just to cover this by pillar by tomorrow, if not possible raining. Okay guys, see you again by tomorrow. Hope you like it, this video tips, amazing tips. So we finish this by tomorrow, only clean the both side and the bottom, just to clean the bottom and both side to make shape a side skirt. Okay. Side on the top and the front. That's it for now. Okay, good night to all of you.